Alright, y'all, let's look at UJ. Alright, so UJ has been on a bullish trend as far as the monthly time frame is concerned for I would say since about 2021, 22. Well, yeah, 21, 22. And so these are pretty much the breakout candles that I wanted to point out. Now, the safest thing to do is to use this relative high. This is kind of like a triangle though, right? But this is the high that was broken to confirm that the trend was going up, right? And yeah, that's pretty much it. Price came up, came back down to test newfound support, and that support I'm pretty sure will be found somewhere in the future. But yeah, the monthly time frame is bullish. It's been bullish. It's 4/18/23, April 18th. I don't know. We're gonna have to go on the lower time frame to see what price is gonna do, but yeah, let's just go to the weekly. All right, so the weekly is definitely bullish. A little hesitant to say that it was bearish because of this low right here. Now, this is a test on the monthly time frame, right? So it's a test. It's still something to be aware of if price does go down, because look, essentially you can kind of see this as some type of head and shoulders pattern. So just be aware, you know, and then price is coming back up to close this huge gap, this weekly gap. Be open to the fact that UJ could potentially be going down, especially with a lot that's been going on with the US dollar lately. Yeah, just be open to it, you know. So I'm gonna leave it as bullish right now. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna put bullish with a question mark, and then I'm gonna put bearish beside it. Be open to the fact that it could go down, but this is a weekly time frame, so you know, pay attention to these current candles. That's how you know where the volume is. Because sometimes you really don't want to go against that. If it's a huge weekly candle and it's bullish or bearish, you don't want to go against that volume necessarily. It's easier to trade with the trend. But yeah, so bullish / bearish for the weekly, right? So let's go to the daily. All right, daily time frame, definitely still bullish, right? Easy to see that. Now, if you're looking at structure, the way I see structure, a higher time frame, how do you identify a higher time frame, right? A higher time frame is a series of higher highs and higher lows. So after this high was broken right here with these candles, this is a gap, but you know, it's still broken. You know, price came up, came back down to test newfound support, then it shot right back up, right? So pretty self-explanatory. Price also came all the way up here, then it came back down to test this damn it, it's a zone. I can't remember if it's a supply or demand zone, but it's a zone, right? It's a zone. It came back down to test this area of indecision, right? And let's erase some of these lines, man. It's good. All right, cool. All right. Yeah. I don't know. UJ don't look too bad, but normally UJ and EU negatively correlate. But I don't know, man. That's why I try not to use that as a confluence all the time, because sometimes it doesn't go by the correlation that it normally does. But as you can see, can draw some type of trend line right here. Price has been testing it. Now daily definitely looks pretty bullish, you know, structurally, right? If you don't understand that, just leave some questions in the comments, and I'll definitely be happy to explain it for you. Let's go to the daily. All right, cool, yeah, and yeah, the daily is bullish too. What I feel like it's gonna do is I feel like it's gonna come up and close somewhere near this weekly. Well, this is the weekly gap, but I think that gap is gonna fill, and I wouldn't be surprised if price started to go back down. I don't know. I just got a feeling with everything going on, I think it's gonna go back down. But we don't trade what we see. Excuse me. We don't trade what we think. We trade what we see, right? As price action traders, technical analysis traders, I don't do hardcore fundamentals, but yeah. Yeah, H4 is definitely bullish. It's clean, you know. It's kind of hard not to see that, right? I'm gonna do major, not minor. Right, that's pretty clean. That's really clean, actually, this trend line. So, as far as directional bias, you have it, and we are at 6 minutes and 40 seconds. So, I'm just gonna end this and go straight to all USD. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all on the next video.